Okay, guys, so there is no ice cream in the back. Look at this. Wait, I need to cough. Excuse me. Okay, we need to find treasure. Okay, so let's go. Anything here? Oh, there's a shell. Look, guys, there's a shell. Where's a shell? Look at the screen. Oh, there's a shell. A shell. Oh, there's a shell. I think that's a shell from the sea. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's nail. A nail. And oh, look, such beautiful leaves. Yeah. Anything here? Oh, there are nothing leaves over here. Here. Yeah. There's dirt. Okay. Here. Oh, there's a Paw Patrol toy. Oh. A Paw Patrol toy. Oh, it's Marshall. Marshall, what are you doing here?